All right, first of all, I'd like to say these are the set of clothes I wore in the last video, but I'm telling y'all, I change clothes. I'm not gross. I shower, you know. I swear, bro. It's just, you know.
Trust, bro.
I record these same day, so. All right, welcome back to another video. It's your boy, Logs, or Logan, and I have my brother, Levi.
Or Boosted S2000 on YouTube.
The plug is crazy. I don't care. Boosted S2000 on everything. TikTok, YouTube. We're obviously in front of his S2000, and as you can tell from the title of this video, it blew up in the bleak midwinter of December because Levi just had to take it to a wedding.
Yeah, so I couldn't help myself. When you have a 800 horse convertible and you can't drive it for like 5 months out of the year, it sucks. So the first like sunny 28-degree day we had, I threw some 93 in it, and of course we were late to the wedding. I was, because it wouldn't start. So, shot a brake clean in the intake and it fired up after about 20 minutes. That should have been the first sign. And then I was late by like 11 minutes. I made it there 3 minutes early with a hole in the block.
Wanted to give a rundown and an update. If you've seen my channel, I uploaded this car racing 427 swapped C5 Vet, also a Kia Stinger. Because the Stinger wanted the smoke, but that was when it was supercharged. So.
Yeah. Right now, what we're speculating, what happened, this thing's had numerous voltage issues, and the fuel pump has been kind of giving me issues. When we were actually racing up at Norwalk for the DSM shootout, it kept hitting it felt like a boost cut, but it was 100% fuel. And after I shut the car off, every now and again, it loses fuel pressure immediately, which is either a good sign of the fuel pressure regulator failing or the fuel pump failing, not holding pressure.
We swapped regulators, everything was fine. So, yeah,
could have been anything.
It's more than likely either a voltage issue or the pump. Either way, just something we got to dig into, especially with his next setup, which brings me to my next point is what's your move now? So
my AP1 that I have is a full drag project, and I actually have a fully built F20 by Mad Scientist Auto. This thing's capable well over 1,000, so I'm going to shove it in this thing with a T56. It's also getting a 488 diff, and I should be sitting right around 900 horse wheel. Fun little street car.
Yeah.
And a roll cage.
Yeah.
And a parachute.
Yeah. And a hard top. That definitely sucks, especially the fact that now it has to sit in our extra garage because, we have 15 million cars. So, but tomorrow the plan is for the video is to actually start tearing into this thing and kind of do just check it out, see what actually went down.
Also going to flow test the injectors, make sure it wasn't a stuck injector. Yeah. Highly doubt it, but sitting with the 85 for a couple weeks,
it's possible.
Very possible.
Anything's possible. At the end of the day, it's just one of those things that...
it happens.
Yeah.
It's racing or just running late to a wedding, but, whatever. This car got beat on for a while. It was completely stock bottom end. It spun on the dyno at 640 horse at like $5,000. So tuner said it's all day an 800 horse pool. And he also said not to leave it on that tune because it's a stock bottom end. And I left it on that tune for like the entire weekend up at Norwalk.
Yeah.
So
and
pretty much everywhere else.
Yeah,
in Indy, yeah. Anytime I took it out, I just bumped the duty up to 22%, and that was 800 horse tune. And should have known better. It had little issues here and there, like we mentioned about the fueling, and also had a high idle, which means it probably had a vacuum leak. I never wired the wideband gauge, so I really never knew. That was kind of dumb.
So, yeah, as you guys can tell, we have a lot of plans for this car, and we're going to start by tomorrow tearing it apart and kind of
just diagnosing,
see what's up.
Because obviously the diagnosis is there's a window in the block. but
Yeah,
there's a why. There's
yeah.
always a why.
So, and he's got a lot of money in the head. So if we can salvage the head, that's huge.
That'll save me $4,000 on the next engine.
Yeah,
It's getting redone, all of it, whole turbo kit. It's getting a mechanical fuel pump off the valve cover. It's something that the car needs. At this point, I'm keeping it forever. Unlucky, because I was trying to sell it like 2 weeks ago.
literally had a Facebook for sale ad up. At one point, it was up for $16,900, which
Yeah.
if you know these cars, this is an AP2,
Clean title from
clean
Florida.
title, lowish miles, and yeah, from Florida, and it's just boosted, and I don't know, no one bid on it, and I
kinda hard to-
think no one has money right now. Like the economy is
Yeah,
crazy,
and it's kind of hard to sell a convertible that makes high power in the dead of winter.
yeah. Also, a lot of people that are buying these cars are scared of boost, and
I'm on my second engine.
they move, but
Second car.
yeah, the
actually.
big thing is like the money it takes to fix these. Like these F series only came in these cars specifically for a couple years, and they have a price tag on them.
Yeah, used, you're looking at $5,000.
And you can't hone these blocks.
Because they got FRM coatings on the cylinder walls.
Yeah, so that pretty much sums up what went down literally yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday. Yeah, we're just gonna tear into it tomorrow. So if you'd like to find out what exactly went down and want to see the content, definitely subscribe and don't forget to like the video. This channel is gonna be featuring everything we go through on the day-to-day. So it's nice being able to capture.
The highs and the lows.
Yeah.
'Cause this is a low.
And if you're out there laughing, it's gonna happen to you.
Yeah. And if it hasn't happened to you, it's because you don't push your cars.
Yeah, it's because you're a bitch.